Welcome to aminacademy.com. In pre-algebra, let us do adding and subtracting of whole numbers. Here, it is simple cases. Now, take some numbers here, 5 plus. We know that 5 plus 3 is 8. Here, let us see this in number line. Here, number line for whole numbers start with zeros and go right side endless. Now here it's 0 start, from 0 to 5 units right side, so we have to put little arrow mark like here this 1 2 3 4 5 means here we'll 1 2 3 4 5. Further, another 3 units from the endpoint of first number, that is 5, to another 3 units. Suppose look here, 1 2 3. So the endpoint tells as 8. So that is answer of 5 plus 3. Now let us discuss some properties of addition of whole numbers. First, the commutative property. Here, commutative property means addition of two numbers and even in reverse order become same. Take one example. Here, 2 plus 5 equal 7, and also 5 plus 2 equal 7, which means we can write the addition of two numbers, even right order and reverse order becomes same. So we can write 2 plus 5 equal 5 plus 2. So it's called a commutative property of addition. Now look at this in previous number line. We'll discuss this commutative property. First, from here we'll use another color for this. Here first 2, 1 2, so it gives the first number's end, that is 2. From that we'll add another 5 units. It becomes totally can go up to 5 units, 1 2 3 4 5. So we can give in single line also, that is here this end point of this one is 7. Suppose we'll go back, we'll do in reverse order. First 2 units first, that we had done 5 units. We'll change the color here. Suppose here another will up to 1 2 3 4 5, so it gives like, and from 5 the end point of the first number, then go another 2 units, it gives here, means both gives the same answer. So commutative property over addition is true. Now next one, grouping symbols. For look here, suppose take a 3 numbers here, 4 plus 3 plus 7. So these 3 numbers we can add first 2 numbers first, that is group with 4 plus 3 and add with the third number. First add the numbers in group, that is inside the bracket, that is 4 plus 3 is 8, 4 plus 3 is 7, plus out of the group is another 7, which is equal 14. Now we can do with grouping with the second and third number, which is equal. 4 is out of the group and 3 plus 7, which gives 4. Inside the group is 3 plus 7, that is 10, which gives 4 plus 10 is 14. So grouping symbols we have to do like this. Not only two numbers, not only three numbers, more than three, any numbers, we can make it some number of groups and add inside the groups, and finally add those numbers, it will give the same answer. Now not only this brackets, we can do brace brackets, square brackets, we can use for groupings. Now take one more example. Here we are doing with three numbers, four numbers. Here 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 6. So four numbers we have to make like first number as it is, plus use the square bracket and add 5, plus group the third number and fourth number like 2 plus 6. Here means 4 plus, here the square bracket write as it is, write the second number 5, next plus add inside the first group, means the second group, that is 2 plus 6, that is 8. Now we have to do inside the square brackets addition, that is 5 plus 8 is 13. Now groups are simplified and the final answer is 4 plus 13 is 17. Now let us we can like that 4 numbers we can add, 5 numbers we can add by using different bracket groups. Now next we'll discuss about associative property of addition. Means take some numbers, your the whole numbers 5 plus 8 plus 12. Here these three numbers by using groups first we can use it. 2 5 plus 8 is a first group, plus 12 is equal to 5 plus 8, the first group addition is 13, plus 12 equal 25. Now in order to change the order of the addition, we will use it first 5 plus that 8 plus 12, that is the second and third number is grouped, which is equal 5 plus the inside the bracket is 8 plus 12 is 20. Now 5 plus 20 is 25. So both gives change, both groups change gives same answer, which means here we can write the both expression, that is 5 plus 8 plus 12 is equal, then 5 out of bracket plus 8 plus 12. So it is true. So the addition of a whole numbers is called associative property of addition. This is called associative property of addition. Now in general we can write, we take the three numbers, suppose A, take three whole numbers of A, B, C. Now we can write the associative property in general symbol, that is here A plus B plus C equal, A is out of bracket plus B plus C. This is called a associative property of addition of whole numbers. Next one, additive identity. Suppose imagine one number, add with some whole numbers. If you get the same answer means you take one number, add with some numbers, it gives the same number, means that what you added, that number is called additive identity. Take one number 5. If you add 0 with 5, it gives 5 only. Like that, any numbers, suppose 20 plus 0 equals 0, 20 itself, means here the 0 is called additive inverse of addition of all numbers. Additive inverse called additive inverse of addition of all numbers. Now further properties and more problems let us do in upcoming videos. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.